Hello, I'm in a 2017 Dodge Ram 1500, and today I'm going to show you how to use your heated seat controls and vented cooled seats. So first you'll start the vehicle, and then from your display with this all loaded up, we'll go to controls, and then here you'll see your settings for your heated and cooled seats. So this is now on high heat, low heat, and then it's off again. Same process for the cooled seats, high, low, and off. And then same exact process for these passenger seats. And easiest way to see if these are working is just put it on high for a few minutes while you're sitting in the seat, and you should start feeling it get warm on your butt. If it's not, after a while, might need to check through your system, make sure check all the fuses, things like that, make sure they're working right. If that doesn't work and it's not some software issue, might need to check underneath the seats, make sure there's no loose connections or anything that need replaced or repaired or reattached. Worst case scenario, maybe a bunch of stuff got spilled all over the seat and it shorted out something in the heating mechanism, so you might need to replace the seat itself or a big component to it. But that said, I hope all this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.